Hello everyone, in this lesson we will learn how to express possessions in Mandarin Chinese. Use the particle 的. For example, 我的书，我的书，你的狗，你的狗，他的房子，他的房子，这是他弟弟的自行车，这是他弟弟的自行车。Okay, let's do some practice. Practice 1. Translate the following sentences into Mandarin Chinese. Practice 2. Write a sentence in Mandarin Chinese to describe the following. My friend's car is blue. How to say that? Practice 3. Translate the following sentence into Mandarin Chinese. This is my sister's house. How to say that? In this lesson, we have learned how to use the particle 的 to express possession. Remember to pay attention to the word order and how 的 is used to connect the two nouns. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. 再见。